So apparently the Matrix was not a warning, it was a startup pitch. Because there's a new humanoid robot called Neo. Yeah, Neo like the Matrix. Except this one doesn't dodge bullets, it dodges chores. For just 20 grand or $499 a month, you can now own a walking, talking, folding, slightly judgmental metal roommate. It's built by a company called 1X Technologies, which sounds like a Wi-Fi network that never connects on the first try. Now this thing stands 5'6", weighs 66 pounds and can lift 150 pounds. So basically the robot is lighter than your gym bag but somehow stronger than you. And it's wrapped in this cousin knit fabric because nothing says cutting edge tech like a robot that looks like it shops at Uniqlo. It's quiet too, just 22 decibels. That's quieter than your GPU when Chrome's open with 15 tabs. So if it decides to murder you in your sleep, you won't even hear it coming. Now here's where it gets real. When Neo doesn't know how to do something, say make coffee, a remote human literally takes over from somewhere across the world. So congratulations, you just paid 20 grand for a robot that occasionally needs tech support from a guy in another time zone wearing a VR headset. And of course the robot is cloud connected, which means it's watching, listening, remembering and judging your life choices. You thought Instagram knew too much? Try living with a 66-pound Alexa that can pick up evidence. Now let's talk tech for a second. This little dude runs on NVIDIA's Jetson Thor chip, which sounds like Marvel would sue someone over. But it's legit powerful. Basically an AI supercomputer small enough to fit in your hoodie pocket. The chip processes video, sensor data and machine learning models in the real time. So yeah, your robot isn't dumb. It's running neural networks faster than your manager can say, let's pivot. And every major company is on it. Tesla's got Optimus, Figure's got O2, Agility's got Digit, and Boston Dynamics is probably teaching these to do Poker again because priorities. They all say they are revolutionizing work, which is code for replacing everyone with something that doesn't unionize. Look, I get it, it's cool. The engineering behind humanoids is insane. Balance control, real-time mapping, object recognition. This is the Olympics of robots. But here's the part that messes with my brain. Every time a robot fails, a human steps in to help it. So to make robots replace humans, we first need more humans. We literally built a robot that needs remote workers. Congratulations, you just outsourced automation. And the privacy stuff? Oh, don't worry. They say it's totally fine because your data is anonymized. Yeah, that's what every villain says before the third act. Look, as a developer, I love it. Give me the Jetson Thor SDK and I'll spend a weekend teaching Neo to moonwalk. But this isn't innovation anymore. It's capitalism with better posture.